Node Video Editor versus KineMaster. Which mobile video editor wins? Choosing the right mobile video editor can completely change how you create stunning videos without struggling with complex tools. Node Video and KineMaster both offer powerful features with different approaches. Node Video Editor and KineMaster are two leading mobile video editors, each designed for creators on the go. The core difference lies in Node Video's advanced node-based editing system versus KineMaster's user-friendly timeline interface, catering to different editing styles and skill levels. Node Video Editor is a professional-grade mobile app that uses a node-based editing system, allowing users to connect effects, clips, and transitions in a highly customizable flow. This approach offers unparalleled control over video composition, making it ideal for users who want to experiment with complex effects and layered editing. Node Video supports multi-track editing, keyframe animations, and a wide range of filters and effects, all optimized for mobile performance. However, its advanced interface can present a steep learning curve for beginners or casual editors. The app excels for creators who prefer detailed customization and technical precision, such as filmmakers, content creators, and video editors comfortable with non-linear workflows. While it demands more time to master, Node Video's flexibility and power make it a standout choice for serious mobile editing projects. KineMaster is a popular mobile video editor known for its intuitive timeline editing interface, making it accessible for beginners and pros alike. It offers a robust set of features including multi-layer video editing, blending modes, chroma keys, speed control, and extensive asset libraries like music and effects. KineMaster's straightforward drag-and-drop workflow allows quick assembly and fine-tuning of clips, ideal for social media creators, vloggers, and anyone needing fast, polished edits. While it provides powerful tools, its interface prioritizes ease of use over deep customization, which may limit highly technical edits. The app offers real-time preview and supports exporting in high resolution, ensuring professional output. KineMaster suits users who want a balance between creative control and simplicity, delivering efficient editing without the complexity of node-based systems. When comparing Node Video Editor and KineMaster, the choice depends on editing style and goals. Node Video's node-based system offers unmatched flexibility for complex projects, perfect for users who want to build custom effect chains and detailed animations. However, this power comes with a learning curve and slower workflow. KineMaster, with its timeline interface, excels in speed and ease, letting users quickly produce polished videos with professional features like chroma key and multi-layer editing. For fast content like YouTube Shorts or social media posts, KineMaster's simplicity is a major advantage. In contrast, Node Video is better suited for creators who prioritize creative experimentation and advanced effects. Both apps support high-resolution exports and multi-track editing, but the trade-off is between depth and accessibility. Choose Node Video Editor if you want detailed control and advanced effects, and you're comfortable investing time to master a powerful node-based workflow. KineMaster is the best pick for users seeking a fast, user-friendly editing experience with professional features. It balances creativity and simplicity, making it ideal for quick, high-quality mobile video production and content creation on the